Oh, look at the little fluffy one. Look at that, Lula. Is that a cygnet?
I guess, yeah.
Baby swan. Oh, wow.
There once was an ugly duckling. All feathers, all stubby and brown.
Oh, they're really cute though.
Get out of town. They are, aren't they, silly, aren't they?
Yeah.
Maybe they're more ugly when they're born.
Yeah, maybe. I suppose they just don't look like small fluffy chicks.
Mm-mm. No. Say hello, Lula.
Hello, love.
Oh.
Say hello, babe. Hello, Auntie
Says
Eddie.
I'm busy watching the birds.
Watch the ducks. Keep an eye on those ducks. They might steal my bottle.
Yeah. Is it, Louis? Say duck. You can say duck. No, I'm not.
Their little legs going.
Hello. So I'd like to get in there with those ducks.